Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk just a little bit about my final thoughts on film versus digital. This is a big topic online because a lot of people feel like film is not worth the expense and the trouble that it really takes to be able to just post an image on Instagram if that's your end goal, or maybe even make a print. And I kind of agree with that, but at the same time, I've been shooting film religiously for almost 2 months now. I've done almost 25 rolls, and I've just kind of come to a little bit of a conclusion that I'm not sure I would have thought that I was going to come to. That's the fact that I'm not sure it matters nearly as much what I'm shooting on versus how I feel about the photograph when I take it. What I mean by that is the medium doesn't really change the meaning of the photograph. The meaning and the emotion that I get out of the photograph is something that I get from being out in the world and experiencing it and trying to capture that. I've been finding that as long as I feel a specific way when I press the shutter, it really doesn't matter if it's digital or film at all. And that I feel like is because at the end of the day, both are ending up as JPEGs and posted to the internet. I'm filling binders with my negatives so that hopefully one day I can put my own darkroom together and start doing my own prints in that way. But for right now, what I have is the ability to scan everything in and turn them into digital files while simultaneously having a backup of negatives. And that, I think, is the main selling point of film for me in general, is just the fact that I am making a hard copy of this, and it is not just a file that will end up on a hard drive that 5, 10, 16 months or 16 years from now fails on me. So I've been finding that having that peace of mind that I'm actually creating a hard copy really allows me to feel like this is a real thing that I'm creating. Now, I went out not too long ago and shot a photograph on film that I had already taken on digital. Now, I took this photo back in December of 2025, right after I got back from Boston. And I instantly fell in love with the composition, all of the broken parts around these empty coaster seats, all of the structure of the existing coaster sitting around it, the dirt, the way everything is just deteriorating. Everything about this photo I love. And in fact, this is actually one of the photos that when I was contemplating should I switch to digital, this is one of the photographs that I took. I was like, I think I would like this more on film. So last week I thought it would be an interesting experiment to go shoot this exact same photo but on film. So I went out and I took this, which is slightly crooked, but beyond that, a little bit cooler. And this is on Kodak Gold 200. So a little bit of that is probably the white balancing that I tried to make it a little more neutral with to try to match this, which, as you can see, I didn't do a very good job there. But beyond that, I want you to just really look at this on film. Take in the bokeh that you can see here with this blurred out a little bit. I want you to really notice some of the grain. More than anything, just the texture of this photograph and how organic this feels. And then we switch back over to the digital and it's very clean. The grime and the deterioration are all still there, but it really feels cleaner and more clinical. And I didn't even shoot this on RFL lens like I usually would. I shot this on an old vintage lens. So this is not a case of comparing apples to apples, obviously, because we're comparing 35mm film to a sensor. But I think more than anything, this experiment just sort of opened my eyes to see that shooting on film is not going to solve the problems that you might be having with your photographs. And what I mean by that is platform, meaning medium, whether that be digital or film. What I'm finding about it is that it matters just as much as what camera I shoot on. I don't think it really matters what camera I'm holding. Equally, I don't think it really matters what platform I'm shooting on. Shooting this photo on film did not give it more weight. Now, if we're talking about which photo do I like more, here's the digital and here's the film. I could stand to fix, here, we'll do that really quick. I could stand to fix how cool this is. So we could bring this up. Now I've got lights in my face, so obviously I would never do this with studio lights in my face like this. There we go. That's essentially the same image, slightly different as far as field of view. But which one do I like more? Personally, I think I like the film image more. And it's not because it took more effort to get. It's not because I created it from scratch by developing and scanning my own thing and editing it. It's because it feels like it has more texture. I like how the shadows are falling more than I like how the shadows are falling on the digital file. And they're barely different. When you really look at these are really not that different, but that's sort of my point, guys. It doesn't matter whether you're shooting on film, digital. I feel like I could probably take this image on my phone and still feel like I really love that image. I don't think if I only was carrying a phone around that I would be thinking, damn, I didn't have a film camera on me. That brings me to my final point here, is that looking over at film or looking over at digital, the grass is always greener. With digital, you can shoot more, you can have more errors. With film, you need to be more intentional. It slows you down and all the other bullshit things that I've said and other people say. But it just ends up as a moldable file that you can sort of make it look however you want, depending on how well you exposed it and how well you shot it. So I don't think any of this ends up mattering too much at the end of the day. It's the same thing as wondering if you should switch to Sony or to Nikon or to Canon. What matters more than what you're shooting on, what platform you're on, or what medium you're using is the fact that when you press the shutter, you have emotion inside of your frame, that you are showing people your point of view and making something that only you can make, because that is really the point of all of this. Nothing that you are going to do on film is anything you cannot do on digital, and vice versa. Sure, film has restrictions that digital doesn't, but that doesn't make it more prestigious. It doesn't make it better, and it sure as hell doesn't make it more meaningful. All it means is that it's a different medium. I've gone through all of this the last few months to just sort of figure out I love film. I enjoy the process. I enjoy developing it, but I don't love it for the reasons that I thought that I would. The grass is not always greener. What matters at the end of the day is that your images mean something to you. And if they mean something to you, they're gonna mean something to somebody else. So if you like this, make sure you hit the like button. If you really liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I've got a lot more content like this on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Mike Finder out. See ya.